Hello, students and scholars. My name is Ms. Pagan, and I am a remote teacher. I'm also a virtual content specialist. And in this video, I would like to share with you the Explore section with a support of an online workspace with virtual or online coins. Today, you are in day 37, dimes and pennies up to 120. Your focus question is, how can I use coins to represent a number? So we will be using dimes and pennies to represent or show a number up to 120. Let's begin. In the reference page, you will notice the coins and their values. Today we will be using pennies and dimes. Remember that the value of 1 penny is 1 cent, and the value of 1 dime is 10 cents. You may be asked to complete the introduction or launch slide on your own or with your teacher. Let's go on to the Explore section. In this Explore section, the directions state, drag the coins and find the value of each coin combination. You may click on the dimes and pennies and drag them into each row and determine the value of the combination of the coins. You may also use this support. Click on this link and you will notice an online workspace with virtual or online coins. I will be using these virtual coins to complete the Explore section today. Let's begin with the first example. 4 dimes, 12 pennies. You may click and drag the coins onto this row and determine the value of the combination, or use the workspace to show 4 dimes and 12 pennies and add the total for the combination of the value of the coins. Press pause, complete the first example, and press play when you are ready to continue. Students and scholars, I hope that you have completed the first example. Let's use the workspace and show 4 dimes and 12 pennies. I'll click on the workspace and I'm going to show 4 dimes by clicking on the dime and dragging it to the workspace. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'll now show the 12 pennies by clicking on 1 penny, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I notice I have a base 10 rod. So I'll use the following 2 pennies alongside or next to the base 10 rod. 11, 12. I'll now use the pen and write the value of the combination of the coins. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52 cents. 52 cents. I can use the cent sign. In the slide, I'll write the total of the value of each coin combination. Here I have 52 cents. Let's try the next 3 examples. You may pause the video and complete the next 3 examples. 5 pennies, 6 dimes. 15 pennies, 6 dimes. 10 pennies. Then press play when you are ready to continue. Students and scholars, I hope that you have completed the 3 next examples and written the value or total of the combination of the coins. You may have also used the workspace. Let's use the workspace and go over these examples. 5 pennies, 6 dimes. I'll click and drag 5 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll click and drag 6 dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can now use the pen to write the total value of the combination of coins. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. I now have 65 cents. I'll write the total value of the combination of coins. 65 cents. These coins represent the number 65. Let's continue with 15 pennies and 6 dimes. 15 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I notice I have a base 10 rod. Let me erase that. And once I have this base 10 rod, that shows me that I can now add the following coins alongside. Remember that we are using 15 pennies and 6 dimes. So we'll use 5 more pennies. 1, come off of this pen so that we can just drag. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We also have to use 6 dimes. So we are going to now click and drag 6 dimes alongside the 15 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now I can return back to the pen and write the value of this combination of coins. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, and 75. 75 cents. Let's make that just a bit more clear. We'll use the eraser and rewrite 75 cents. I'll write the total in the slide as well, 75 cents. Let's complete this final example together. 10 dimes. I'll use the workspace and click and drag 10 dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I have 10 dimes. I'll choose the pen and write the value of this combination of coins. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 cents. I have 100 cents. I can see that 100 cents also has the value of $1. So I'll write the $1 as well. I have now determined that the value of this combination of coins represents the number 100. And so I'll write that down in the slide, 100 cents. Or, as I stated earlier, $1. Students and scholars, we have just completed the Explore section to represent a number up to 120 using pennies and dimes. In this lesson, for our focus question, how can I use coins to represent a number? Again, this is Miss Pagan. Please feel free to write comments and questions on our YouTube page.